In this video, we're going to be replacing the tail light on this 2005 Honda Element. The process will be the same for both sides. So now that we have our tailgate open, we have access to the inside of our tail light. So we have two 8mm or Phillips head bolts. We're going to use the 8mm option. Take these out. Now you can already see that your tail light is mostly loose. It'll be held in towards the front of the tail light with two pins, one about here and one about here. They're going to be pushed forward. In our case, we have a little bit of an opening here. We're going to use that as a handle to put our hand in and pull rearwards. If you don't have this option, if yours isn't broken, pry your or push your tail light outward to get your hand behind here, and your other hand on the lens itself, and push together and pull backwards. Okay, so these are the two pins we were looking at. This one is an actual removable pin, and this one is a pin that's received by the vehicle. Two different styles. They're both holding in the front of your tail light. From here, we can turn our tail light over, and now we can see we have our bulbs. Our bulbs, we're going to start here. Going to be two tabs. We're going to twist and remove. Okay, we can set that aside. We're going to do the same thing here. There's actually an identifier for lock and unlock. So we'll go opposite of lock. We'll twist. We'll remove and set that aside. We can do the same thing down the bottom. Twist and remove the bulb. Now you can see this bulb definitely needs to be replaced. Those three bulbs removed, we can take our tail light and discard this. So for our brake light bulb, you can tell this one needs to be replaced. Nice crack in it, some moisture in there. Because there's a crack in this, you're going to want to be very careful. Maybe wear a pair of thicker gloves. You're going to grab the bulb and you're going to rock it slightly back and forth and pull straight out. Okay, so now we can take our new brake light bulb and we're just going to press it straight in. That's it. With this bulb here, we're just going to grab a hold of the bulb, slight rock back and forth, and pull straight out. The installation, we're going to take our bulb, we're going to line it up with the slot, we're going to push straight down. That's it. For our reverse bulb, grab a hold of the bulb, rock it slightly, and pull it straight out. For the install, we're going to line it up, push it straight down. So now we take our new tail light assembly. We're going to sit it right here. If you want to put a rag down or something down, go ahead. We're just going to lightly sit it down here. We're going to start to reinstall our bulbs. All right, our brake light is going to go in. We're going to push and twist to lock. Line up the tabs on the inside. Push and twist to lock. Our turn signal. So you'll see a little tab on the side of your plastic bulb, and the housing will line up. Just push and twist. And our reverse light, there are going to be tabs on the housing. Three tabs are going to line up. We can take our harness in the back, run it into this plastic mounting point here. And now from here, we can line up our two forward pins. push our tail light inward and give it a light tap to the front of the vehicle, or a push. Once your tail light's seated in the front, we can line up the back and install our 2 bolts. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.